Most people see a corner lot and think, problem. Two street faces, no natural backyard privacy, neighbors on multiple sides. A shape that doesn't play nice with standard rectangular floor plans. But there's a floor plan that was essentially designed for this exact situation, and most corner lot buyers have never been told it exists. The L-shaped Barndominium doesn't just work on a corner lot, it dominates one. Why corner lots and L-shapes were made for each other. Here's the geometry that changes everything. A corner lot has two street-facing sides and two private sides. A rectangle fights this. Any orientation either exposes the backyard to one street or wastes the lot's natural depth. The L-shape solves it in one move. One wing runs parallel to the primary street, the other turns the corner. The interior angle of the L, protected on two sides by the building itself, becomes a private outdoor zone that neither street can see into. The lot's biggest liability becomes the home's greatest asset. Plan 1. The corner courtyard, 2,100 square feet, 3-bed, 2.5 bath. One wing carries the public face, living room, kitchen, dining, large windows facing the primary street. The second wing turns the corner, bedrooms, bathrooms, laundry, quieter, completely private. The interior angle, a sheltered courtyard, covered pergola, outdoor dining, protected on two sides by the building itself. From either street, a striking Barndominium exterior. From inside the courtyard, a private world that no passing car or neighbor can access with their eyes. Plan 2. The Entertainer's Corner, 2,400 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath, outdoor kitchen. Everything Plan 1 does, plus a fully covered outdoor kitchen built into the interior angle. Built-in grill, bar counter, ceiling fans, recessed lighting, sliding glass panels between the indoor and outdoor kitchen that collapse the boundary between inside and outside entirely. From the street, a confident, well-designed home. What the street cannot see is that the entire back angle of the property has been converted into a private resort. The corner lot hides it. The L-shape creates it.
Corner lots have a reputation for being the ones nobody wants. More maintenance, more exposure, more complexity. The buyer who understands the L-shape looks at that same corner lot and sees something completely different. A discount on the most naturally private outdoor space available anywhere on the street. That perspective shift is worth real money. Plan 3. The Staggered Wing. 2,600 square feet, 4-bed, 3-bath. Most L-shapes keep both wings the same width. This plan staggers them. One wing 24 feet wide, one 18 feet wide. That stagger creates an outdoor space with both an intimate sitting area and a larger entertaining zone within the same courtyard footprint. Inside, the wider wing carries the primary suite and open living. The narrower wing houses 3 additional bedrooms efficiently. From the street, the stagger reads as architectural intention. On a corner lot with unequal frontage, this plan fits the geometry so naturally it appears custom designed for the specific parcel, because it was. Plan 4. The Income Corner. 2,500 square feet, 2-bedroom main residence, 1-bedroom attached suite. The longer wing, facing the primary street, is the main residence. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, full kitchen and living. The shorter wing, turning the corner onto the secondary street, is a fully self-contained rental suite. Its own entrance, its own address if the jurisdiction allows. Guests arrive from a completely different street. The main home never feels like a rental property because from its street face, it isn't one. In short-term rental markets, this suite generates $900 to $1,500 a month from an addition that costs $60,000 to $80,000 to build. Plan 5. The Workshop Corner. 2,200 square feet living, 600 square feet shop, 3-bed, 2-bath. On a standard lot, the shop roll-up door either dominates the front facade or demands a driveway that wraps the entire building. The corner lot solves this completely. The shop occupies the end of one wing and faces the secondary street, its own dedicated access. Vehicles and equipment enter without crossing the residential driveway or disrupting the home's street presence. Primary street sees a beautiful Barndominium home. Secondary street sees a clean, functional shop entrance. The corner lot keeps them permanently separated. The most elegant shop integration available at any price point.
Plan 6. The Compact Privacy Plan. 1,900 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath. Not every corner lot buyer needs 2,400 square feet. Both wings narrow and efficient, the courtyard tight and intimate, a walled garden, 2 chairs, complete privacy. The primary suite at the end of one wing with a corner window looking directly into that courtyard. Waking up to a private green courtyard in a home that built for under $200,000. The Compact L proves the concept works at every scale. The geometry is identical whether the courtyard is 800 square feet or 80. The privacy never changes. What corner lots return? Corner lots typically sell at a 5 to 15% premium over interior lots. Most buyers pay that premium and then fight the shape for years. The L-shaped Barndominium converts that premium into a genuine return. A natural courtyard, a separated shop or rental suite entrance, a building that presents an architectural face to 2 streets simultaneously. That combination adds measurably to resale value in markets where Barndominium comps are establishing themselves. The premium you paid for the lot comes back in the building. 6 floor plans, 1 lot type most buyers avoid, 1 building shape that turns that avoidance into a genuine advantage. The corner lot isn't the parcel at the end of the street. It's the one with 2 street faces, 2 directions of natural light, and a building shape that uses all of it deliberately. The L-shaped Barndominium doesn't compromise on a corner lot, it expands. Drop a comment. Tell me which of these 6 plans fits your situation. Tell me what the corner looks like and what you do with that interior angle. Subscribe. New video every week. I'll see you in the next one.